Why multi-chip GPU is the future of graphics processing capability. Multi-chip module graphics cards just might be the future, bringing upcoming generations of GPUs to a whole new level. Combining multiple dies instead of relying on a single chip could provide better performance without being hindered by the current hardware limitation. According to recent leaks, both AMD and Intel may currently be working on MCM graphics cards. AMD's rendition of this technology may be just around the corner in the upcoming RDNA 3 GPU patent, position-based rendering apparatus and method for multi-die, a GPU graphics processing Intel MCM GPUs is coming. More details. https://t.co/gikfwixgzvpic.twitter.com/sxgt9nbj1s. Under Fox February 3, 2022. The term multi-chip module describes the architecture used to assemble electronic components, such as semiconductor dies, or other types of chip. MCM involves integrating multiple GPU modules into a single package. This could potentially result in a lot more GPU power without drastically increasing the size of the chip, thus hopefully improving manufacturability and power consumption. Today's leaks come from two different sources and both point toward AMD and Intel both exploring MCM architecture for their upcoming consumer-level graphics card. A new Intel patent has been uncovered by UnderFox on Twitter and later shared by WCH, talking about using several GPUs combined via MCM for image rendering and the benefits this would provide. Intel's patent talks about using tile-based checkerboard rendering to achieve far more efficient scaling on multi-chip graphics cards. Although it's unlikely to see this technology in first-generation Intel Arc Alchemist graphics cards, we may see MCM GPUs from Intel in one of its next-gen discrete graphics cards. The leak regarding AMD comes from an unsuspecting AMD engineer who shared their current projects on their LinkedIn profile and was spotted by Bluest Violet on Twitter. The engineer is a principal member of technical staff and works on Infinity Fabric. Information pulled from the profile strongly indicates that some of the next-gen AMD RDNA 3 graphics cards will feature an MCM design. This why on some my previous tweet I said RDNA 3 will probably start with 5 nanometers AMD PSSST LinkedIn pic.twitter.com/ZFDFRVGWTO. Blue Negro who February 4, 2022. Multi-chip module GPU technology is something that Intel and AMD have previously dabbled in, but NVIDIA is also no stranger to the architecture. As early as 2017, NVIDIA has published a paper titled Multi-Chip Module GPUs for Continued Performance Scalability. Since then, rumors have emerged indicating that NVIDIA's next-gen Hopper graphics cards will feature multi-chip GPU designs. AMD has already released an MCM graphics card before, the monstrous Instinct MI200 HPC GPU. Designed for high-performance applications, the card offers up to 3.2 terabytes per second of bandwidth, 128 gigabytes of HBM2E memory, and up to 14,080 processors. However, it's likely that MCM technology will now make it into the consumer market with AMD's upcoming RDNA 3 graphics card. Intel also has a data center MCM GPU in the works. Dubbed Ponte Vecchio, the card has not yet been released. MCM architecture certainly has a lot to offer, and even if we're not quite there yet, it seems that we may soon start seeing its benefits on the consumer market as part of the best graphics card. AMD RDNA 3 graphics cards are set to launch later this year. The same can be said of Intel Arc Alchemist, and although we don't have any certain release dates for either, Intel is rumored to launch the first Alchemist GPUs before the end of this quarter. Meanwhile, AMD is also rumored to release a refresh of previous RDNA 2 cards within the next few months.